Jorge, so here we have your box. I already tried one corner with a larger radius on a different machine that we are having. Now we are going on to this machine. Like I say, you have a lot of weld. What we did before is we ground these flat so that I can reverse the boxes on here to get it a little bit more even. And if you have a big weld sitting up there, the box will not sit square. This is a machine that we have modified. It has our movement in it. All mechanical parts, fully adjustable, as you saw in the one video that I sent you. And it also has a frequency inverter which slows the oscillation down that we have installed. And in the back you can see the dust collector on the machine. So now you have to adjust the table so that it's level to the head. So, and like I say, you need a very square box. You adjust your side adjustments so that you are just nice and flush against the grinding head. You can turn them in a little bit, then you grind a little heavier. You can turn them out a little bit, then you grind a little bit lighter. You have two grinding speeds for the grinding belt, 1 and 2. We're going to shift that to 2. That turns your oscillation on and off. And this is a potentiometer for the oscillation speed, which we have sitting around 30 Hertz. So all you do is you wait until the oscillation kicks in. Like I say, you have a lot of weld on your part, and this is what it would look like. We are almost here. We are very good. Here we are done. You see, we are getting a little closer. What we can do is we can reverse the box and give it one more grind over, and then you are all the way in. Okay, you can go a little bit lighter maybe. And I'll give you this one. Here you see we have even more weld. We need to go a little bit further. The weld consistency is the most important thing, as I mentioned to you before. This is an unusual long grinding time, and it gets very, very warm. Now we are starting to touch here and here. That I would touch up by hand, very little, because otherwise you get too far into the side. Again, we can go a little bit lighter on this. Come a little bit further out. Light. See, now as we go light here, we're not getting to the bottom, so we're going to go back. So you have a nice consistent radius all the way down. The rest of it I would do by hand. You could grind more, but then you're starting to really hit the sides too hard. We can adjust a little bit the oscillation out of it again also, but for that we would need a few more parts. The problem is just with one part, very difficult to determine. So here you have the lid. I already tried one corner, that will go very quick. These you cannot grind because you're going to hit your lip. So these two you will have to do by hand. That one. You can do, that goes fairly quickly. And you have your edge, and then you need to finish up the ball. Okay. boxes to adjust the machine more precisely to your part. Like I say, we would have to take a little bit of the oscillation out for your part and go in a little bit deeper. So this we would adjust further in. And also to make the radius larger, we would adjust this a little bit further down this way. That will make a larger radius. This is maximum radius here, and this is minimum radius here. And you see we are maybe at 10% of the possible radius, which is not bad for your part, because this way you don't grind through the weld and you don't have to grind so much because you have so much weld on it in the first place. Thank you very much.